unfortunately a few veterans who weren't able to join us this morning, hence a few extra flags. We've also been reminded that I've forgotten one introduction, which I should make, and that is to Sergeant Major Alan Kellogg, who is sitting right here in front of us, the Medal of Honor recipient. Thank you for being with us today. And now as we near the end of our ceremony, and I invite you to please rise.